Hello and welcome to Building with John. Today we're going to learn how to use DaVinci Resolve. It's a video editor and it's super easy and reliable, more reliable than Adobe Premiere or Final Cut, and it's free. So we're going to learn how to use this to edit videos on our PC or Mac or PC. So just a little upstream, I edited a video using OBS. So that's what I use to record any of my recordings. So I use OBS, then I get a video file. So now when you open DaVinci Resolve, and again, you could download from here, and you would just click the download. It's somewhere, there you go, download, and it's free. How awesome is that? So is OBS. These are very powerful tools. So once you open it, you're gonna get this, shows you your past project history. We're just gonna click on Untitled, so we do a new project. When DaVinci opens, this is the main screen that you see. Here's the quick and fastest way of how to do it. We're not gonna be a video editing pro. We're just gonna rip out a video super quickly. So we're gonna click on this Edit tab down here at the bottom. This is our edit screen. At the very top, you want to click Media Pool. And now we're ready to drag and drop our media, our video file, which is going to be this one. This is our video file. You can just drop it right into the timeline. That's going to be the fastest. It's going to say, hey, project frame rate doesn't match. You want to say, yes, change. Awesome. So that's it. Drag and drop. Now the video clip is in DaVinci. We're ready to edit. So let's hide the media pool. You can drag and drop other videos, but we're just going to use one video clip. I'm going to click on this space, dead space right here, and click delete on my keyboard. Also, we're going to use keyboard shortcuts. Let's quickly go over the only keyboard shortcuts that you need to learn in DaVinci. So we have pressing the keyboard shortcuts, a letter B to do a blade, A to do a mouse select, and delete to delete and merge. Let's test those out. So say I have a section here I want to cut out. So first thing I'm going to do is press B on my keyboard, turns my mouse into a little blade tool, and then I'm going to select here and say I want to cut from here to here. Great. Then I'm going to press A, turns my blade, B for blade, A for mouse select. Then I will select and press delete on my keyboard, and deletes and merge. So let's try that again. So B brings up the blade, cut, cut, press A, and you can either click on it, or if you have a bunch of them, you can select them like that, and then press delete on your keyboard, and it will delete and merge, move the other side over. Let's go over the next one. So that's B, A, and delete button. Trim left and right, let's do that. So if you just have a whole section, you want to delete everything to the right, Command Shift right bracket. And then if you want to delete everything to the left of wherever your red marker is, Command Shift left bracket. Perfect. That's trim left, trim right, and then zoom in and scroll. So I have my left hand resting on the keyboard, and then if I use the mouse wheel and hold Command, I could pan or scroll left and right. Keeps the same zoom. Perfect. And then if I hold Option and use my mouse wheel, that's going to allow me to zoom out and zoom in, zoom out and zoom in. That way I could get real precise. So I'm using that to kind of quickly move around where I need to go. Great, and that is keyboard shortcuts. So watch, I'm going to trim everything that is before this. So once it's before it, Command Shift left bracket, boom, just deleted everything that's right here, right up to that little line. So watch it, boom. So that's great. Now we're going to trim everything to the right. All this we're going to get rid of. So we're going to do Command Shift right. See? So I just want to get you familiar with, and then we're going to do Command Z, undo, undo. So those are some of the keyboard shortcuts that we're going to use. So what we're doing for video editing is I'm looking at everything off the sound bar. That's mostly what I'm using. So I'm going to also zoom in using Option and my scroll wheel. So that's going to allow me to zoom in and zoom out. So zoom in. Great. I want to move my timeline right above there. Click so this is highlighted, and now I could do my Command Shift left bracket. So it deletes everything before, all that dead space. I'm going to press spacebar. Hello, welcome to Building with John, and that's going to start. I can see my timeline. I need to edit that 0, so it starts at 0, 0, 0, 0. I'm going to click my media pool, right click on timeline, starting time code, and then just type 00 because I want to start it. So watch how, see how it starts there. I just want to change that time so it starts. Cool. Hide our media pool. Great. Back to editing. So for this clip, when I was doing this, Smart John clapped twice. Oh, see this right here? Listen, they're claps. That lets me know. So if I mess up, I know that this is where I pick up and left off. So I know somewhere around here I messed up. And you can see, so it's just a retake. So that's why it's like you could record everything in one recording. You don't have to do multiple takes and then try and stitch all those takes together. Just do all in one recording. If you mess up, clap twice like this. And then it shows up in the soundbar very, very obviously. So I'm also using command, my scroll wheel, to move left, right. So command, left, right, and then option to like zoom in and zoom out. So that's how we can move around pretty quickly. So I see that's going to be the first one right there. So let's listen. Extra to it. So from scratch and add a little something extra to it. So somewhere around here, I'm going to press B for blade. That's going to cut it right there. Somewhere around here, and then blade. Oh, it's actually already still there. And then I would press A. So B turns into a blade where you could chop, 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 chop. And A allows you to select. So we're going to select all of this in the dead middle, delete, and then you could click on this space and delete. Nice. So we see, should have a nice edit from scratch and add a little something extra to it. So to get started, we're going to just simply open a blank page. And nice. So now let's go to the next edit. So this is how I, as the video editor, don't have to listen to the whole thing. I'm just like, oh, claps. That means he got everything right up until somewhere here. Obviously, it's to clear my throat. So B, clip here. Looks like I want to zoom in. So option, mouse wheel in, mouse wheel in, mouse wheel out. Okay, somewhere around, I could just do with the blade right there. Press A, and then click and delete. Delete. Look at that. And then we could try it. Press spacebar to play. Page, press enter. And now for the second page, we're going to call it nice, 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 nice. Just looking for dead space. Ah, something here. So I'll see where did I mess up on. Just makes it easier. So we're going to just blade right here. So B, cut, and then I know it starts again right there. A, click in, press delete. If you do the delete board or delete button, it will actually move it. So click back here, the actual list. Just makes it easier. So now stage one is we have our, great. So now I'm going to zoom out, press command, use my zoom wheel. Is there something here? Looks like a water break. So I'm going to listen here. This is interesting because it'll be the first time I'm technically, let's do it here. Type 2. So yeah, so B somewhere between here and starting here. Clip, clip, press A, click, and then delete on my keyboard. Boom, spacebar. Status. This is interesting because I get to use statuses, which I don't usually do. Nice. So then we're going to use command, use our mouse wheel to move down, keeping the same view. Great. Going down, and that's the end of the video. So bye. So click, and then we're going to press command, shift, right bracket. So it kind of just trims that. So great. That's it for editing. I'm going to press option, zoom wheel out. Just look. That looks good. Oh, we just cut it up. Done. Now it's ready to export. So exporting, super simple. We're going to go File and just do Quick Export. Click Export. And just give it a name. and save. And now it's rendering. Congratulations, you just edited a video using keyboard shortcuts. Thank you so much for editing with John. This is actually going to be another video. So it's like an entrepreneur series where we're just learning business tools so that you can work smarter, not harder. So put in the chat or in the comments the next business app that you want to learn how to use in 15 minutes. I'll talk to you later. I'm Jonathan Acuna. Hope you have a great day. Bye.